Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button right on the bottom, somewhere here or here, I don't know, but yeah, subscribe please. Today I would like to show you 3 ways to preserve your curly fro. So if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. This is actually day 3, so let me know what you think. So for the first method, all you're gonna need is a satin bonnet, and basically what you're gonna do is put the bonnet over your hair and just tuck in all your curls in, and that's it for the night. This is actually one of my favorite methods because it's actually the laziest method, and it only requires like 1 minute of your time at night, and then you know, that's it, you're good to go. So here's a 360 view of what your hair is gonna look like, and then in the morning this catastrophe happens. But do not panic. All you have to do is fluff out your hair and just shake it a little bit, you know, just pull on your hair and everything, and your hair will go back to a nice curly fro. If your hair is a little bit more rebellious than mine, you can use some water in a spray bottle just to give your hair a little bit of shape, but other than that, that's it. And yeah, you basically don't need anything else. So here's another 360 view of what your hair should look like after all the fluffing, and yeah, isn't it gorgeous? Like, look at those curls though. Yes. Alright, so for the second method, I'm going to use some leave-in conditioner just to give my hair a little bit of moisture. And mind you, this is like about 2 days after I did the bonnet method. So basically my curls are a little bit out of shape. So I'm just going to do 4 chunky braids, and then I'm going to curl the ends just to give my hair a little bit more definition. So once you're done with your braids, you just have to put on your satin bonnet, and that's it, you're ready to go to bed. Disclaimer, your braids, since they're chunky, they're gonna be a little bit hard, so just be mindful that when you're gonna sleep at night, it's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable. So this is me in the morning, and yeah, my hair looks super weird, but anyway. Now basically all you have to do is unravel your braids. Now that your braids are unraveled, you just have to shake them a little bit, especially the roots, because the more you scratch the roots, the more you're gonna have volume. So this is what I'm doing right now. And since the hair framing my face is a little bit too long, especially on the forehead, I'm using 2 bobby pins to create some kind of bang. A little bit more fluffing and I'm done. So once again, here's another 360 view. Curls, 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 yes. Are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. Anyway, let's move on to the next method. So for this one, you're gonna need a few hair ties. I'm actually using these telephone cords ties. I don't know how to call them, but anyway. First of all, I spray my hair a little bit with some water. Then I make sure that I work the water through my hair. Now I'm just taking one elastic band and I am tying my hair up. And I'm going to do the same thing 3 more times. So basically I'm gonna have 4 pigtails. So by doing this, you are preventing too much shrinkage. So here's a 360 look at the pigtail method. It looks a little bit funky, but anyway, so just throw on your satin bonnet and make sure that all your hair is tucked in and you're ready for bed. So now it's the next day. You know the drill. You just have to take out the elastic bands from your hair and just start fluffing out your hair, just like we did in the bonnet method. This will require a little bit more fluffing because you do not want the parts from the pigtails to show. So make sure that all the parts are gone. And if your hair feels a little bit dry, do not be afraid to use a little bit of water. I'm not using water in my case because my hair was already moisturized and you know, it was popping, so yes. So here's a little close-up for you curious people, so you can really see the texture of my real hair by doing this method, because I'm not forcing any curls on my hair. So this is it for the 3 methods. So let me know which method is your favorite, which result is your favorite, and let me know if you guys have any other methods that you guys are using on the regular. I'll see you in the next video. Alright, out.